You got Nana's present. You gonna open it now? Mm. Oh. That's it. Throw on the ground.
What's that? Cool.
Book.
A book?
Toy.
And the toy.
Wow. You love that paper. It's beautiful.
Peppa. Doggy.
Georgie?
Ba.
Oh, what is this? Oh. Wow.
What's that?
Oh, awesome.
It's an advent calendar, isn't it?
Yay.
I came all the way from Scotland.
Peppa.
Peppa.
Peppa. Doggy.
Georgie?
Is that a chocolate advent calendar?
Yeah,
Ah.
I'm going to have to eat that.
When Daddy was a little boy, Nana didn't buy him chocolate advent calendars.
Really? I'm sure you did. Oh, look at that.
Oh, and you've got a Peppa Pig lunchbox.
That's awesome.
What's inside it?
That's so cool. What's inside it? Has it got crackers?
No.
What's it
Can you
got?
open it for her?
Peppa.
Peppa. How cool. Ready?
Ready.
Ready? And wow. Oh, cool. Peppa Pig onesie. That's awesome. Look. That's so cool. Oh, look. My birthday party. Oh, and stickers. Cool. And look. Oh, cute. And Peppa Pig bathers. Oh, it's really cute. Oh. Peppa. Who's on the
Zara.
front, Zara?
Nice.
Who's on the front?
Go.
Stickers. You got a card too.
Mommy.
Yes, darling.
Good
You got
day.
stickers.
Zara, what do you say to Nana?
Nana.
Would you say thank you, Nana?
Da.
Nana?
These are stickers. Stickers. Yeah. You can stick them on the card.
Okay, you gonna wave bye-bye to Nana?
Okay, open the card first.
Nana.
Nana.
Nana, you're
Nana
the
gave me all this. Oh, nice, Nana. Can you open the card?
Toy.
Can you open the card? You want Mummy to help you?
Peppa.
Peppa. Oh, is it Peppa?
Oh.
Peppa. What do you see? Oh, wow.
Peppa.
Peppa. Oh, I think you. I don't know if you're supposed to rip that off.
I'm going to just put it on the card. Wow.
Oh, happy birthday, granddaughter.
Peppa. What's this?
What is it?
This two. This two.
Oh.
Okay, darling. Say bye-bye to Nana. Say thank you.
Thank you, Nana.
Nana, bye, Nana.